Okay. So MHC, I think I've already explained MHC in our earlier class. So these are some of the features aspects of MHC. That is major histocompatibility complex. I'm not going in detail about this. So MHC. So genes of MHC molecules are organized into three classes. Class 1 MHC genes and class 2 MHC genes and the class 3 MHC genes. So I think you have heard about class 1 MHC and class 2 MHC. It is major histocompatibility complex. But there are three kinds of genes, 1, 2 and 3. So class 1 MHC genes, they are glycoproteins that are expressed on all the nucleated cells. So major function to present the peptide antigens to the TC cells, cytotoxic cells. Class 2 MHC genes, they are glycoproteins expressed on macrophages, B cells, dendritic cells. Major function is to present the processed antigen to the TH cells, helper cell. And class 3 MHC genes, these are not the membrane proteins, but they are not related to structurally class 1 or class 2 molecules and have no role of antigen presentation, although most play some role in the immune responses. Example, C2, that is complement to C4A, C4B, factor B, and hydroxylase enzymes, TNF alpha. So in all this, these are expressed. So this is the mouse. In mouse, it is the MHC gene is known as H2, and in human it is known as HLA. In mouse, it is MHC gene is known as H2, and in human it is known as HLA. So there are three classes of genes. The pink one is for MHC class 1, and the blue is for MHC class 2, and the third MHC class 3. Okay, and these are the region where they are expressed, and these are the gene products obtained in the mouse. But in case of humans, these are the regions class 2. So this is for the class 3, and this is for the class 1. Class 1, the region is A, B, C, and for the class 2, it is DP, DQ, DR. So this is the position, gene products, DP alpha beta, DQ alpha beta, and alpha beta, DR. So in class 1, it is HLA-B, HLA-C, and HLA-A, A, B, C. So these are the products of the MHC genes. So this is explanation. This is the structure of the MHC molecule. So this I've already explained, the structure of the MHC molecule in the last unit. So differential distribution of MHC molecules, so mostly they are present in the lymphocytes. That positive sign indicates the presence of these molecules in the lymphocytes. Next, overall structure of the MHC class molecules. So MHC class molecules, class 1 MHC molecules, and class 2 MHC molecules. This I'll explain overall. So the features of class 1 and class 2 MHC molecules. So this is summarized here. So for class 1 and this is for class 2, the polypeptide chains alpha, which consists of 44 to 47 kilodaltons, and beta 2 microglobulin, which consists of 12 kilodalton. And class 2 MHC molecule alpha 32 to 34 and beta is 29 to 32 kilodaltons. Locations of the polymorphic residues, alpha 1 and alpha 2 domains. Alpha 1 and alpha 2 domains. In class 2, it is alpha 1 and beta 1 domains. Binding site for the T cell receptor, alpha 3 region binds CD8 and beta 2 region binds CD4. So size of the peptide binding cleft. So it accommodates the peptides of 8 to 11 residues, and class 2 MHC, the cleft accommodates the peptides of 10 to 30 residues or more. And human, it is known as HLA, B, and C in class 1, and for class 2, it is known as HLA-DR, HLA-DQ, and HLA-DP. So in most so the what is summarized here, that is explained in this. Okay, so same thing only explained. So next, class 1 peptides, class 1 MHC peptides. So which peptides it can bind? So this is, you can read out MHC1. I will, summary I will show you. So the peptide binding class 1 and class 2 MHC molecules. So the peptide binding region for class 1 is alpha 1 or alpha 2, and class 2 is alpha 1 or beta 1. So nature of the peptide binding cleft is closed at both the ends. So like this, closed at both the ends, and in the class 2 it is open at both the sides, both the ends. So general size of bound peptides is 8 to 10 amino acids in class 1 and 13 to 18 amino acids in class 2. Peptide motifs involved in binding to MHC molecules the anchor residues at both the ends of the peptide, generally hydrophobic carboxy terminal anchor. Hydrophobic carboxy terminal anchor. So here anchor residue is distributed along the length of the peptide. So nature of the bound peptide, it has the extended structure in which both the ends interact with the MHC cleft, but middle arches up away from the MHC molecule. So in the class 2, extended structure that is held at a constant elevation above the floor of the MHC cleft. So this is the summary of the peptides of class 1 and class 2. So this is the cleft geometry. The peptide is held in the cleft by non-covalent forces, so which is given. So just for your understanding. So MHC binding peptides. So each human usually expresses the 3 types of MHC class 1, that is A, B, C, and 3 types of MHC class 2, DR, DP, and DQ. So the number of different T cell antigen receptors are estimated to be, so this number. So each of which may potentially recognize a different peptide antigen. Okay, so if it's a flexible binding site, whether flexible binding site is present, no, because at the cell surface such a binding site would be unable to allow high enough binding affinity, okay, to form a trimolecular complex. Trimolecular complexes, that is MHC, peptide, and the T cell receptor. So that is why no flexible binding site is observed. And here the binding site that is flexible at an early intracellular stage of maturation formed by folding the MHC molecules around the peptide. So this allows a single type of MHC molecule to bind many different peptides, bind peptides with high affinity, form stable complexes at the cell surface, and export only molecules that have captured a peptide to the cell surface. So this is about the MHC molecules, how class 1 and class 2, what are the genes present, and there is no recombination of the MHC genes observed as in the immunoglobulin genes. Okay, so this you can read out. So MHC, I have already explained the structure and all in the earlier class, and here about the genes and how the binding of the peptides is done. So that is about the MHC molecules.